Here is an our studio environment which we are going to work in that. So it consists of 4 quadrants. One is an editor which we are going to write the code and to run. Next is an global environment. Third one is an console, and fourth is an MISC. It consists of 5 categories: file, plots, package, helps viewer. In that editor we had included the 6 library package. This is very important for graphical representation. While running these packages in the console, the packages will be loaded in that, or if it is not loaded, then the library packages cannot be used and again. So we have to verify that whether the library package has been installed or not. Next, I am going to read our data sets. In this set we had taken the 5 data sets which are the common in crop. I am going to run that data sets. It had been loaded in the console, and the side by side the data sets had came in the environmental. While clicking the crop, the data sets will be read in that editor. Then only we can know the data sets is available in our environmental history. So likewise we have to check all the data categories. Next, I am going to see the structure of the crop varieties. I am running here. In that console it had shown the structure of the crop varieties, and I am going to run the head of the crop varieties. In the console it had shown the head of the crop varieties. Next, I am see in the console the structure head will be running. Next, I am going to see the crop cost by selecting the crop, yield, quantile, etc. and to group by the crop, and we are going to summarize the crop yield hectare. And this crop cost I am going to see represented in a bar chart. See, I set it auto key equal to 1, and I set it the bar chart should be filled in blue and it should be in a scaled list. So while running in the right by side, the output has been came. See, the bar chart will be has come for based on the our crop cost. So these are the crops which we had taken. Next, I am going to run the histogram, and it will be exponential. And next, I am going to run the cost of cultivation. See, the cost of cultivation per hectare will be in the separate varieties. See here, the output has coming for crop cultivation per hectare: sugarcane, wheat, and before paddy, rapeseed, mustard, maize, moong, and gram, groundnut, agar, cotton, and these graphical were represented in the BW part. So this like a cluster, the graphical has been visually seen. So because I am taking only the cost of cultivation per hectare. Next, I am going to see analyze the crop cost. So like same as we are taking selecting the crop, straight, yield, and I am going to fill with the Greek here by summarizing the crop hectare. And I had selected all the crop varieties, and I had taken 10 crops, and I arranged these crops in the grid because I want to show in the near and near. See, the data has been loaded, and see that now you see why I taken in the grid wise. See, in this side there is a state wise maize, that side moong yield. In the before, see, state wise agar yield, gram, etc. and sugarcane, cotton, paddy, wheat. So this is the for this only had taken in the grid arrange. So because it is visually easy and can easily understandable, and it is very flexible one. So this is a very important for straightwise crop production in India. And see, in that environmental history all the crops have been loaded. So now these productions were available in that. Then I am to read show the structure of crop varieties head, and I am going to do the process analysis called year wise analysis. I am taking year and value for the crop varieties. So I am going to run that. While running that, see in the console the crop varieties data set has been loaded, so it is available in our workspace history. Now I am going to run that year wise crop yield. See, I am using the XY plot to group the crop only. So see, in the right bottom we had gotten our final result analysis. Wait, I am zooming it. While zooming it, see, this analysis fully based on year wise. From see in the these are the paddy crops we had taken, and in x-axis we had given the year wise 4 to 5, 6 to 7 like that. So this is the only this graphical representation. In that, see that we had represented different colors. So this is the result analysis for the agriculture production. Thank you.